My name is Kelly Glover. I'm 31 years old and I'm from Cranford, New Jersey. Right now, I'm a waitress. I love being a waitress, but it's not what I want to do in my life. I am a singer and I need to be singing. I first realized I could sing when I was about 7 years old, and I've been singing ever since.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Do we know each other?
We do. In 2009, I auditioned for America's Got Talent, and I made it to the Vegas round, and I got cut, and I got really emotional.
For you, the answer's no.
Please, please. I thought that was my shot. It was devastating. It took a lot out of me. It made me not want to come back. But then during the last 5 years, waiting tables, I had a lot of time to reflect, and I've learned that I could be strong. I really feel like this is going to be like my last chance, so I really got to make it count. The moment that I step out onto that stage today, I am just going to lay my heart out on the line. I'm the hungriest I've ever been and the most determined because I do feel like this is my last shot.
We've been here before. You know what this is about. Go out there and get that. You know what you came to do. Go get them. This is all you.
Oh my God, you're so pretty. I can't even
Thank you so much. I must be getting better looking with age. Every contestant so far has come out and said that about me.
What is your name?
My name is Kelly Glover.
What is it that you do?
I'm going to be singing for you today.
Have you ever been on a stage like this?
Yes, 2009 season, I was on that.
So you've actually been on the show before?
I have.
So what happened when you auditioned for America's Got Talent in that particular season?
I made it to the Las Vegas round and I got cut, and it was horrible. Very sad story.
Wow. Well, I wish you the best of luck. Good luck.
Hit it.
Share my life, take me for what I am. 'Cause I'll never change all my colors for you. I don't really need to look very much farther. I don't want to have to go where you don't follow. I won't hold it back again. This passion inside can't run from myself. There's nowhere to hide. I remember forever.
That's a powerhouse. You are absolutely incredible.
Thank
and your
you.
voice has texture and emotion and such a quality. I literally, all my hair stood up on my arm. What did you think?
Amazing. Amazing. You are just a dream. When you are here live, your music, your voice went right through us. This is a moment. This is what we wait for, and this is why we love season 1.
You really have a superb voice, the quality, the tone, and Howie's right. I had the same thought. When you're live, you make a real connection with the audience because you have a real gift, and it's fabulous to hear you.
Thank you. Thank you.
I think you have an incredible voice. I also had my hair standing up.
You with the hair, too.
Yeah, and I'm very very, very happy that you came again to try again. You know, that takes guts too.
Thank you.
I think you're incredible.
Thank you so much.
I think we should do a group ball. 1, 2, 3.
Couldn't thank you enough. Thank you.
She's like an angel. It doesn't even sound human. It's amazing.
This is a special moment. Embrace this one. Forget about anyone's in the past because you're going nowhere but up from here, all right?
Oh, thank you so much.
Take care.
Thank you.